Yeah, this is Duterte. Andiyan siya sa loob. Oo. Sa banda roon. Malamig. Ayaw niya dito, sir, kasi malamig. Taka dito ka, sir? Ah. Are you Dutch? Ah, okay. So you were just here because we want to support, show our love and support as a form of. You're neutral. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Not only in Manila, the whole Philippines. Yeah. Ah, QC. Ah, okay. Do you live here in the Hague? The parents. Ah, okay. No, I'm in myself, not with you. Don't worry. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. They cannot. How do I say that? Apply this particular technical rules they have to the ordinary living of Filipinos because they are, of course, to kill somebody shouldn't be allowed. But these are nothing but allegations, But they are treating him as a convicted criminal. That's the problem there. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but the thing, he came to power exactly when the Philippines needed it. Because we're almost turning into a narco state. The it, no, not only because of that, but because of the elites and the oligarchs controlling the Philippines or whatnot. He was voted by Filipinos and he received the mandate to eradicate the drug problem. So that's why he is very much favored and loved by the Filipinos because kasi nga he brought security and peace. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah. His main goal is for Filipinos, families, friends, or whoever can basically walk outside the streets day or night, any time of the day, feeling secured and safe, safe to just wander around in the same way that what we are doing here in the Netherlands. You cannot do that in the Philippines anymore because it's either you will be, I don't know, a victim of whatnot, but we wanted that. The Filipino people wants that. You know what I mean? That was supposed to be the promise brought with the under the propaganda of unity, team unity. But however, everything turned sour right now, and he ended up in prison. What he was saying to the Filipino people, if this is his destiny, whether he is inside or outside, he fully accepts it. But not because he accepts it, we are just going to disregard the due process and his innocence, presumption of innocence as a person, right? So yeah, we are here as our bit of being Filipinos to show to the world that hey, hopefully our love and support for him will pierce through the walls of the ICC and that he feels that. You know what I mean? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. But can you imagine? He's 80 years old. He's not used to this cold weather. Yeah, it's very sad. Yesterday was too warm. Oh, yeah. So what can we do? What can we do as Filipinos? Ordinary Filipinos. We're not judges. We're not even allowed to go inside. How I wish we can. How I wish we can exchange our freedom for his freedom. Us going inside and him being free. And live the remaining sunset days of his life enjoying time with his family, but we cannot do that because of due process. That's what we are claiming as Filipinos. We want him to also experience the due process that everybody is accorded. Correct or not? Yeah. So it's very sad. Even though we are sad, we can only do so much just to show up here, to talk to people like you, explaining what our position is. Yeah, mental support, because that's what he needed. Everything is provided there for him, but the emotional side, the mental support, is what we are hoping that it can, carry inside and pierce through these freaking walls out there. Yeah, honestly. But you know, the Netherlands and Europeans in general, they have a position against the president, labeling him as already a killer. They don't know exactly. You will never understand how it feels like to live in the Philippines, not unless if you are in the Philippines, that you have seen what the daily encounters of individuals there, poverty, crimes, whatever, this and that, drug problem. It's not only a recreational thing. Corruption, yeah. Corruption, drug problems, environmental issues, everything. We cannot even talk about sustainability there because we only need to be secured first. Poor poverty level, job opportunities are not there. That's why we are here, right, in this country, because opportunities are so scarce in the country. Walang pinag-uungan? Wala. Wala ngayon. Ano lang? Bicol Express, oo nga eh. I like Bicol Express. Inihaw na, bangus! Oh my God. Tell me more. It's so beautiful. But hey, thank you so much for engaging with what seemed to be a meaningful conversation. It's really amazing. Thank you so much for understanding and for hopefully speaking to all of your peers what's the reality in the Philippines. Yeah. Because you know we tried to reach out to medias for our position to be relate to the Netherlands community, but it seems that you have bigger problems right now, such as not having a government, upcoming election on the 20. Yeah, many problems. But that doesn't mean that our problems is diminished. It is still a problem. We are still fighting for we are the sovereign state. We are fighting for our Filipino identity. Thank you so much, sir. Sige, sir. Mabuhay ka, sir. Sige. Ingat, kaibigan. Mabuhay ka. Makita tayo ulit. Sige, sige po. Ingat.